Automatic electric coffee grinder, espresso machine for home and travel, portable, USB rechargeable. Quick grinding. This electric coffee grinder can be used to grind coffee beans quickly, allowing you to enjoy a fragrant cup of coffee in your spare time or busy work. Control without thickness. The powder is even and fine, and the thickness can be adjusted continuously. The best ground coffee powder can reach 30 mesh, greater than 90%. Ceramic grinding core. The cone-shaped ceramic grinding core is not easy to generate heat, which reduces flavor loss and off flavors produced by extraction. Auto stop. One key to open and close, automatically stop grinding when there are no beans. Simple and convenient operation, let you easily grind coffee beans. Portable size. The coffee grinder has a compact size. It is USB charging, can be used for 1 week after charging. Very convenient to carry when you go on a trip and enjoy aromatic coffee anytime, anywhere. Specifications. Name: electric coffee grinder. Material: ABS plastic, copper motor, PC. Black color. Size: 18 x 7.5 x 7.5 cm. Weight: 0.4 kg. Rated voltage: 3.7 volts. Power: 13 watts. Battery specifications: 3.7 volts, 1250 mAh. Maximum charging current: 1A. Powder tank capacity: 120 ml. Use ambient temperature, -1040 C. Relative humidity, 10% till 95%. Charging time, 3 to 4 hours. Grinding weight, 25 grams for coffee beans. Grinding time, 20 grams of coffee beans are ground into medium particles, 100 mesh, 15 to 18 times. Packing list. 1 electric coffee grinder. 1 brush. 1 USB Type-C charging cable. 1 English user manual.